Alright guys, please do give it a try and then you can resume to look at the solution. Alright guys, two ships are approaching a port along straight lines at constant speeds. Initially, the two ships and the port form an equilateral triangle with sides of length 24 kilometers. Okay, so all these sides are 24 kilometers each. When the slower ship traveled 8 kilometers, the triangle formed by the new positions of the two ships and the port became right angle. When the faster ship reaches the port, the distance in kilometers between the other ship and the port will be. Very beautiful question, simple one. So let's see. Suppose this is the slower ship. Okay, starting from here, and this is the fastest ship starting from here. Initially, we have an equilateral triangle. That means all the angles at the vertices will be 60 degrees. Okay, now when the slower ship traveled 8 kilometers, okay, so suppose the slower ship has traveled 8 kilometers, okay, and suppose the faster ship is somewhere over here, suppose, okay, then the triangle formed by the new positions of the two ships is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this triangle they're talking about, this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, now the slower ship has moved 8 kilometers, guys, right? In that case, okay, if you observe this triangle is having one angle as 60 degrees, this is 90 degrees, and the hypotenuse as 24 minus 8, 16, right, guys? In this case, this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Side opposite to 30 degrees is half the hypotenuse. So half of 16 is basically 8. Okay, again, the side of the equilateral triangle is 24. So the distance covered by the faster ship is basically 24 minus 8, 16 kilometers. That tells you the distance covered by the slower and the faster ships is in the ratio 2:1. All right, now when the faster ship reaches the port, okay, then in that case, the faster ship is covering the distance of 8 kilometers, right? Okay, in that case, the slower ship would have covered a distance of only 4 kilometers, right? Because just now we have seen the ratio of the speeds is 1:2 because that is the ratio of the distances they're covering in equal time. So when the faster ship has covered 8 kilometers, the slower ship will further cover only 4. So its distance from the port will be 24 minus this length, that is 8 plus 4, 12. The answer is 12 kilometers, and that's option A for us.